So today I'm going to do two things. One is I'm going to learn how to look at the camera and look at the ground at the same time so I don't trip. And the other thing is I want to tell you about an event happening at Speedcube Shop in California. So at Speedcube Shop's physical location in California on August 10th, there's going to be the first ever open house cube store and unofficial competition where we're going to do like a head-to-head competition. But some of the other things we're having is going to be a raffle with prizes adding up to over $600. And by the way, this is all free. You just have to go, and you have to RSVP if you want to end up in the raffle. So basically check the description for a link for how you can say that basically that you're going to go and give like your name and stuff, and then they're going to give you 5 raffle tickets and you will be entered. There's also going to be a sale there with stuff up to 50% off, and at the same time there's going to be a sale on the website just in case you can't go. So I'd love to see you guys there because I'm really excited for this event. And there's also going to be Cube Solve Hero, Cubing Encoded, and Cameron Brown, who owns Speedcube Shop, and all together we'll be doing like a Q&A, a meet and greet. And I guess you can see why I'm doing this, because I'm also going to be vlogging there. And so I'm sort of nervous about that because I've never done that before, and so I am not great at holding the camera and all the stuff required. Also, good thing there's no one near me right now because I don't know if I'd be able to vlog with a bunch of people, but I'm gonna have to. So if you go there, you may end up in the video as well. Anyway, really excited to see you guys, and I just want to say thanks to Speedcube Shop for making this opportunity possible and just for helping out my channel with the growth and the opportunities with all the cubes and stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, that person in the car was giving me weird looks. And also I want to thank my patrons, of course, for always supporting me, and just the amount of support and just how nice the community is. And of course, every one of you guys for watching, commenting. This whole journey's been a blast, and I'm excited to be able to go to such a cool event and meet a lot of you guys who I usually wouldn't get to meet because I'm usually not in California. So anyway, I hope to see you guys there. It's on August 10th. Remember to RSVP, check the link in the description, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. So what I did just there wasn't really vlogging, I guess, so I don't know how much experience I just got, but it's like little things, just being able to do this, because I don't have anything to vlog right now, but just being able to hold the camera and figure out how I'm going to always keep myself in frame, how I'm going to talk. I actually filmed another version of this earlier where I think I sounded way more nervous, but I can't tell if I sound nervous right now because I definitely don't feel nervous doing this since there's no one around me. I remember the first time I ever showed my face on camera, talking felt kind of normal, but I just couldn't do it. Like, I would watch myself and be like, that's kind of horrible. But yeah, maybe I'll end up doing some more like competition vlogs in the future. I never really wanted to learn this new skill at a competition, so I guess this is a good opportunity to be able to do that. Yeah, that's it for this video.